Good morning. Let's do a little walk through the garden and do a garden update. I'm gonna have to look into if this is some type of a disease on my dahlias, or if that's just that it's getting cold or older leaves. Yeah, I know less about flowers than I do about vegetables, and I don't know a whole shit ton about vegetables. This one's not doing it, just that one. So have to figure it out. Anybody out there that knows dahlias, let me know. Yeah, I think the cucumber plants are done. They're not growing anymore. So, I mean, they're putting some flowers out there trying, but it is really cold out here right now. So I think we're gonna be pulling these. I'm gonna cut open our little watermelons and see if they're edible. We shall see. The tomato and tomatillo bed, it's just about done. I've got some that I need to pull, and then my basil has kind of gone a little batshit, so need to get this out and make some pesto. I'm wondering how long my marigolds are gonna go since I'm gonna plant my garlic in here. I was thinking about possibly planting them in my frog. This is where my frog hotel is going to be, or just planting them in one of my little light posts. The bed with the cilantro is looking amazing. I think that is spinach right there. I'm not sure. Like I said, you know, as you can see, the squirrels got in here and did some digging and seeds got scattered. So there's some romaine lettuce in here, which that actually, maybe that's romaine. I think maybe this is spinach. Still not seeing. I thought I saw some onions. Oh, there's one onion right there. I need to pull out some of these green onions. But I'm wondering if I should try one more time or if it's just too late to put some onion seeds in here. The carrots, though, are doing really well, especially when you get down to this end. Yeah, you can see where the squirrels dug. I only seeded carrots over here, but over there is the carrot. I believe that guy is a Brussels sprout, so we'll have at least one Brussels sprout plant. And then in my last video, I showed you the sad, broken, little dead collard green plant that was over here. But now I'm realizing right here is, I think, 3 separate plants. So I may try separating those out and planting them. Oh no, see? This is what happens when the squirrels get in the bed. Shitheads. But then also, no, I think that's cilantro as well. So we'll split these out and kind of plant them along the edge here, and then hopefully we'll have some collard greens as well. Now I want to show you my pride and joy, because wow, this bed's of all the things that are going wrong right now with my gardening stuff, this bed is making up for it. Ta-da! I mean, this nasturtium on its own, holy crap. Like, I had no clue that nasturtiums would go like that. I'm like, yeah. But look at the cabbage. Again, I need to try to do something with this nasturtium. But I mean, this cabbage, excuse me, ma'am, could you move? Thank you. Jeez Louise. I mean, it looks healthy, so maybe it'll push its way through. Get bold, get pushy. Just nasturtium. Okay, now that one's not getting any sun. So yeah, we're gonna have to do something. But those are looking fabulous. And look at my beets. I have to back up so you can see them all. They look amazing. Amazing. They're so healthy, nice and sturdy. I'm hoping, see how I gave them about, I want to say 3 inches between each plant. I mean, see that? So I don't think I'm gonna have to thin them out. I think I'm just gonna let them grow. But this makes me so happy. And then the bean side. I mean, aside from the nasturtiums, which, hello, beautiful flower. How are you today? The beans, look at this. This nasturtium's like, I don't know where the heck it's going. Is that nasturtium? Oh, no, that's bean. The beans are coming out here too. But yeah, I mean, we have a ton of beans growing. And then look at my marigold. Hello, she's a happy camper. Yeah, look at this. Look at this. So happy. Okay, onto the back deck. And yeah, I had a little happening happen. So I'll show you. Can we have a moment of silence for my pumpkin and squash plants? That was powdery mildew, and it spread. It started down there on the end on that spaghetti squash plant. I didn't realize that it would spread, and it did. It spread to everything. My pumpkin that looked so healthy was so coated in it. There was nothing I could do. I had to just pull the entire plant. I did save some leaves. I saw a thing that said to treat the plant that you need to remove any affected leaves and then make a mixture of half whole milk and half water and spray them. So I did do that. I don't know if that is the mildew though. Should I cut that leaf? I feel like I have literally cut almost every fucking leaf off this plant. But I mean, there's new growth up here, so we'll see. I mean, this spaghetti squash, I think this one's done. So she's the only one I got out of the plant. The other one didn't grow. The nasturtium's doing fine. And this is delicata. I've got what? 1, 2, 3, 4. I have no idea what that's supposed to be delicata. Because the pumpkin plant is completely gone. Thought it was a pumpkin, so I pulled the pumpkin plant. But yeah, I'll go up top and I'll show you what those leaves look like. I mean, as you can see, she's, you know, still going, and we've got blossoms. That leaf, I think I'm gonna have to cut that leaf. But these over here, hang on, let me go around. Oh boy. You know, these, I think they all look pretty good. And I soaked them with that milk and water mixture, so we shall see. Oh, and then here's this one, like, running. So, I mean, it's still putting out blossoms. I don't know. Like I said, we're learning as we go, people. We're learning as we go. The berry plant, I think she's starting to die back for the winter. Now, are each of these branches in here separate berry plants that I can replant? I need to look and see if I can replant them now or wait until the spring. Again, herbs, but my herb drying rack did arrive, and I will be showing you guys that. I'm going to be pulling all of this stuff and putting it in there to dry. So that's it for today. Like I said, there's some up, some down. Kind of a lot more down than up, but again, learning curve, right? Talk to you guys later.